Everyone keeps asking the wrong question about AI. They ask, what's the best AI tool? What's the fastest way to make money with AI? What's the next shortcut? But that's not why most people fail. The real reason AI doesn't work for beginners is because they treat it like a magic button instead of a system. Here's what I mean. Most beginners open ChatGPT, type something vague like, make me money online, get overwhelmed by the response, and quit. Not because AI is bad, not because it doesn't work, but because they skipped the most important step. AI doesn't replace thinking, it replaces execution. And if you don't tell it exactly what job it's supposed to do, it does nothing useful. Think about it like hiring an assistant. If you tell them, do something successful, they'll stare at you. If you tell them, write 5 product descriptions in this format, they'll get it done. AI works the same way. So tonight, I want to show you the mindset shift that actually makes AI work for beginners. Step 1 is choosing one boring problem, not a big dream, not passive income, not a list of side hustles. One small, specific problem that already exists. Things like writing product descriptions, building basic websites, summarizing long content, creating simple scripts, or formatting social media posts. These aren't exciting problems, but they're problems people already pay to have solved. Step 2 is using AI for only that one task. Same prompts, same goal, same output. You're not experimenting. You're building repetition. This is where beginners win and most people quit. Because consistency with one AI task beats chasing every new tool that drops online. Step 3 is packaging the result. People don't pay for AI, they pay for outcomes. A finished page, a ready-to-use script, a clean website, a completed asset they don't have to think about. AI just helps you deliver that outcome faster and cheaper. If you want AI to actually work for you, stop asking what it can do. Decide what you want done. Then force AI to do that one thing over and over. That's how beginners actually start winning with AI. And in the next video, I'll break down exactly how I'd build this from zero today.